Hey guys, and welcome back to another tricky A-Level Maths exam question. And in this question here today, we're dealing with integration, which it doesn't actually explicitly say it here, but we're going to have to split it up with partial fractions. So this is a question that involves integration using partial fractions. So we're given that y is greater than 0, find the integral of 3y minus 4 divided by y times 3y plus 2. Now this is a 6-mark question, so quite a lot, and there's a few steps involved. So let's take it step by step first and break it down. So, like I said, we're going to need partial fractions for this. So, remember for partial fractions, we split it up like this. So it's going to be a over, so we've got two terms in the denominator. We've got y times 3y plus 2. So the first one will be y plus b divided by the 3y plus 2. So that's my denominator for the b. So 3y plus 2. Now, remember for partial fractions, we're going to do a lots of this and b lots of this denominator. So this is a lots of 3y plus 2. 3y plus 2 plus b lots of y. And this is always equal to your numerator. So this is equal to 3y minus 4 in this case for this question. So now what we've got to consider is getting the values for a and b. So how do we do that? So if you've not done this before, remember you've got to eliminate one of the variables that we're working with. So the first one I can eliminate is the b by making y 0. So if I make y 0, so when y is 0, what that gives me is 0 lots of b, so that's just going to go, disappear. 3 times 0 is just 0, plus 2, so that gives me 2a, so that's going to be 2a. And then don't forget your right hand side here of the equation, 3 times 0 is 0, minus 4, so 2a is equal to minus 4, making a therefore equal to minus 2. Minus 2. So that's my a value. How do we get the other value? Well, we're going to have to eliminate the a here now. So to eliminate this a, I've got 3y plus 2, so I've got to make this bracket equal to 0. So if we subtract 2 off, imagine this, we're making this equal to 0. 3y would be equal to minus 2, so we divide by 3. So therefore y, I'm going to let b equal to minus 2/3. 2/3, like so. So what do we get now? So b times y, well if y is minus 2/3, that's minus 2/3 of b. Like that. And then this is going to be equal to 3 lots of minus 2 over 3. So if you perform that, you're going to get minus 2. And then we're going to subtract another 4 off. So that gives me minus 6. But remember, we need the value for b. So we're going to do minus 6 divided by minus 2/3, which if you do it on your calculator, we'll obtain that b is equal to 9. So we've got the value for a, we have a value for b. So what we have now is we have split this up into partial fractions. So what our integral actually is now is this. This is the integral of minus 2 over y. So where the a is, that's minus 2. So minus 2 over y. Like so. And then your b is 9. So this is 9 plus 9 divided by 3y plus 2. Don't forget your dy, we are integrating this with respect to y. Well, how do we perform this integration now? We're nearly there, just the last step. So remember, we do it individually, so this is, we're integrating this minus 2 over y first. So if this was 1 over y, remember this would be ln y. Now, we have to think about what the derivative of the denominator is. The derivative of y will be 1, but our numerator is minus 2, or 2. Well, we could say it's minus 2 actually, so we have 1, we need minus 2, so what have I got to times this by? Well, that's going to be minus 2 ln y. So you've just got to match up the derivative of the denominator with the numerator, so that's minus 2 ln y. And then we'll do the same with this part of the partial fraction, so it's the integral of this. Well, what's the derivative of the denominator? 3y plus 2. The derivative of that will be 3. But we need 9. So what do I times that by? What do I times 3 by to get to 9? It's going to be 3. So this is going to be plus 3 ln 3y plus 2. And then don't forget this very last thing, guys. We're nearly there. Just don't forget your plus c. Do not forget that. You will get dropped 1 mark for that. But that is all 6 marks for that expression there. So that's your 6 marks. Job done. Nice and easy.